What's up, fam? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to have $140 in your hands right now? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $140 in 1 hour. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $140 every hour. Yes, $140 in 1 hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, are you trying to grow your YouTube channel and your YouTube channel is real small and you're not getting any views and not getting subscribers? Well, I want to recommend the best tool you can use to increase your YouTube views and subscribers. Just click on the link at the bottom of this video in the description, and it says the best recommendation to increase your YouTube views and subscribers. So just click on that link, install that software, and watch your views and subscribers just start piling up. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have something special I want to give away. Plus, I want you to watch every step that I'm showing you how to get $140 in 1 hour. So please watch the video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to my computer and show you the method.
All right, I'm at this website called Respondent. And what this website does is they help companies with any type of new product that has come out. Companies come here to find out things about their product, if it's going to be a good product or not. So they come here and they pay Respondent to hire somebody to check out their latest project or their latest product. So it says here, get paid for participating in research studies. Respondent is the fastest way to find high-paying research opportunities. So as I scroll down here, you can see paid to respondents, $2,343,324 has been paid out. And the average interview length is 30 minutes. And average hourly payment is $140. So what you're going to do, verify your profile. So connect your LinkedIn or Facebook profile to Respondent so that we can verify your demographic and employment data. It's quick and easy. So this is available to people worldwide. So anybody around the world can participate in these studies and get paid $140 an hour. And so the next step here is get matched. Our matching algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile. You can also browse projects to participate in. And from my research, you need to go ahead and check your account every day because they really don't send out emails. So you need to check your account to see what companies have picked you to check out their latest project or products. And next one is participate. When invited to a study, you will be able to select a time that fits your schedule. So you can do this in any time Whenever time it fits your schedule, it's your choice. Then the last thing is get paid. Afterwards, get paid automatically via PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account. Respondent only collects a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. So respondent only get 5% of that money. So you will get 95% of the money that's paid to you from these companies. All right. It also says right here you can make money referring friends. So sign up as a respondent and refer friends to paid studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. So let's just look on here right quick and see what they say. Sorry for the slow internet. All right, get paid to refer friends to paid research studies. And referrals made have been 18,983. The average referral paid is $50. Total referrals paid out is $949,150. Sign up and refer friends. Sign up as a respondent and refer friends to paid studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. And so you'll share your referral link. You can find your referral link on the landing page of each study. Share your referral link via Facebook, LinkedIn, email, or anywhere on the internet. Then right here it says get paid. Once your referred friend has participated and been paid, you will be paid your referral bonus. Our average referral bonus is $50 and paid to you via PayPal. So if you are interested in this and want to sign up, go to respondent.io.
So now you know what website you can go to right now and start making $140 an hour. So go ahead and sign up and register for the website and start getting this money. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the free offer that I want to give away today. And if you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know that I like to give away stuff. So the stuff I'm going to give away today is 3 ebooks, totally free. Now, to get these 3 ebooks, you got to make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then you're going to go to my website, which is called App Grind Substation. So you're going to go to that website and you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to see the 3 ebooks. Now these 3 ebooks are about affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, and making money on YouTube. So go ahead and download those 3 ebooks. That's free from me to you. Now, that's all I have for today. Please give me a like if you liked what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And share this with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, I'm done. I'm finished with this video. Thank you for watching again. But don't leave yet. You can check out one of my previous videos or my recommended videos. So you can go check either one of those videos right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Oh great, I see you guys still here. You can watch this video over here, or that video over there right now. Get your grind on.